Top SQL Interview Questions and Answers 2024. Presenting to you most asked real-time practical case study questions of SQL. Interviewer: what is the employee's name in uppercase? Please refer the employee info table structure. Here we will retrieve the employee's first name from the employee info table and display it in uppercase. The upper function is used to convert the first name to uppercase. Select upper EMP name as EMP name from employee info. Interviewer: how many employees work in the HR department? Count the number of employees working in the HR department. The count function is used to calculate the total number of rows that satisfy the condition. Select count asterisk as total employees from employee info where department equals HR. Interviewer: retrieve the current date. Fetch the current date from the system. The CURRENTDATE function returns the current date. Select CURRENTDATE as today. Interviewer: extract the first 4 characters of the employee's last name. Retrieve the first 4 characters of the employee's last name from the employee info table. The left function is used to extract the specified number of characters from the left side of a string. Select left EMPL name 4 as first 4 chars from employee info. Interviewer: retrieve the place name from the address. Extract only the place name string before brackets from the address column of the employee info table. The SUBSTRINGINDEX function is used to extract the substring before the specified delimiter. Select SUBSTRINGINDEX address 1 as place name from employee info. Interviewer: create a new table with data and structure copied from another table. Duplicate an existing table along with its data and structure. The like keyword is used to copy the structure of the old table to the new table. And the insert into select statement is used to copy the data. Create table new table like old table. Insert into new table, select asterisk from old table. Interviewer: find employees within a salary range. Retrieve all employees whose salary falls between 50,000 to 100,000. The between operator is used to specify a range of values. Select asterisk from employee info where salary between 50,000 and 100,000. Interviewer: fetch employee names starting with S. Retrieve the names of employees whose names start with the letter S. The like operator is used for pattern matching, where s% matches any string that starts with s. Select EMP-FNAME, EMPL name from employee info where EMP-FNAME like s%. Interviewer retrieve top N records. Fetch the top N records from a table. The limit clause is used to restrict the number of rows returned by a query. Interviewer select asterisk from employee info limit N. Interviewer combine employee first and last names. Merge the first name and last name of employees into a single column, full name. The concat function is used to concatenate the first name and last name with a space in between. Select concat, EMP-FNAME, EMPL name, as full name from employee info.